No, this is not strawberry shortcake. It's actually strawberry tiramisu. And we're gonna make it today.
All right, Manny. So what do we have today?
We have our strawberries and we're making strawberry tiramisu.
That sounds delicious. Go on, go.
We add the strawberries. We add more water.
All right, very good.
To the strawberry.
And we put the heat up already.
We stir the strawberries. All right, so what do we do now?
Okay, so we're draining
The juice.
the juice. We're going to
Blend it.
blend this.
This is a food processor. We blend the strawberries. We have a beautiful strawberry cream. And let's put the strawberry cream.
All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
We are getting 1 cup of sugar.
1 whole cup of sugar. Excellent. Oh, all right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
Adding the sugar.
Good job, man. In 2, 3, 1, go. All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
We're scooping the cream cheese.
All right. So how many scoop of the cream cheese we need?
2.
Okay. Oh, what we got now, Manny? Wow, wow. That's
Now we mix it.
Wow, look how foamy is the whites. You did a tremendous job, Manny. 2, 3, 1, go. All right, Manny. So what are we doing now?
1, 2, 3. Now we are dipping.
Oh, you're dipping the cookies.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna slice the strawberries to decorate. Donut. Alright, so we're topping tiramisu with strawberry. Lastly, let's add the mint. Mint goes so well with strawberries.
Unos zapaticos viejos. Lo llamamos de que a Loli Garden, 65 pesos. Ya, vete para allá.
Add icing sugar.
Good job, man.
And lastly, we add a
En Baní, donde se crió mi papá.
mint to make it very pretty. This is the ultimate strawberry tiramisu.
Ya están picando algo.
Yummy.
Ya con eso se limpian.